Welcome to this week's Snapshots. I'm Aaron Ross, and this week is a little bit of a unique story behind the photos that I'm about to share with you. My wife and I, because we live in Chicago and we are in a global situation where we can't do a whole lot, we decided this year we were going to invest in snowshoes. I've shared a couple of videos using those snowshoes already on this channel and making photos while out in the snow. And we decided to try and do the same thing this week, but it was an absolute blizzard and we got to the lakefront. I took 2 photos and we turned around and we walked home. So these are some of those photos. These are the 2 photos that I took out on the lakefront, as well as photos I took walking home. That's about all I was able to make. And as a little bit of background, these are with the new to me 23mm f2 lens on the Fujifilm X-T3. So let me know what you think of these photos. I wouldn't say anything is award-winning or portfolio-worthy, but I do think there are some unique moments that I was able to capture while on our walk home. Very cold and windy walk home. I hope for those of you that are dealing with winter storms in other areas of the country that are not as used to it, hope you're doing well and staying safe and warm. And for those of us that are used to it, we're used to it, so that's about that. Make sure and give this video a like, as it really does help out the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already, because there are more videos coming your way, specifically talking about the 23mm, some other fun, exciting things coming up. But that's going to do it for the intro, so here's this week's snapshots and photo walk to go along with it.